Heyo graphic designers! I'm back with another tutorial in Adobe Illustrator, now using the free transform tool on text. Expand the text you want to apply this effect on, and use the line segment tool and divide pathfinder to split it in the middle. Now we're grouping the elements of every side and ungrouping the two sides one from another and using the free transform tool on each of them until they're perfectly aligned, one with another. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me to keep making great content for you. Group the sides and that's it. Congrats on creating this awesome text design.